Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your Facebook password if you forgot it. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook application, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the top right, and then you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and here you need to click on settings. Once you are in your settings, you simply need to scroll and click on security and login, and here you can see change password. So you can see that there is no option to see your password, so you simply need to go back and open the Gmail and click on your profile picture in the top right and click on Google account, and here you need to scroll and click on security, and once you are in your security, you simply need to scroll, and here you can see password manager. Click on that option. You simply need to scroll again, and here you can find an option of Facebook. So you can see that I currently not save my Facebook password, but if you save your Facebook password, like you can see that you simply need to put your device password here, and once you click on that eye icon, you can simply see the password. So this is a process by which you can see your Facebook password if you forgot it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.